Alright, in this video I want to show you how to reactivate your DigitStem account that has been blocked because it's up to 1 year. So what you're going to do is you go to your DigitStem site, which is digistem.com here, and you're going to click on Get Started. Remove this ad. So you can see that nothing is working here until I reactivate my account. And the price for reactivation is $10. So I don't have money in this wallet, so I'm going to just deposit money. What I pressed is this 3 dash here. So I'm going to go to deposit, and I'm going to deposit now. So when I deposit, I'm going to select Nigerian Naira, and I'm going to put $10 here. Okay, so and I'll click on submit, and they say pay now. So I'm going to put my card details. After putting my card details, I will pay the 5,075 naira. And when you have done that, your money will be in your wallet. And I'm not ready to do that right now, especially not on video. So when you have done this, you need to go back to DigitStem site and log in Let's go back to the DigitStem site. Now you have been making your payment, and you go back. You will now have money in your account. You can now click on this buy new plan. Okay, it will say buy now. So you select how you want to make payment from wallet. So now you have money in your wallet because you've already put money, but my wallet balance is still 10 USD, 0 USD, because I did not make the payment. But once you have made the payment, it will appear here as $10. So you confirm the payment and reactivate your account so that you can go in and have access to different materials to promote and sell and earn your commission. So I believe this video is very simple and you can use it to reactivate your account. God bless you, and make sure you subscribe and follow me for more interesting videos. Thank you.